much for making time to be with us this evening. We're so excited. The entire team is very, very excited.
What we saw were the ability to deliver impact to Smiling Mind users.
Through our user interviews, we came up with 2 personas. This is our first persona.
She is married with 2 children. One is a 3-year-old daughter.
I would like my family be easily access meditation in different situations.
What the team's going to be going through next is some ideation, then they'll create some prototyping, and there'll be an opportunity for doing some usability testing. The next time we'll see you again is in week 9, when each of them will spend 15 minutes to do a pitch.
You've got the foundations there, you've got that first diamond down, and I'm excited to see where it goes.